They're built too. They're
Yeah,
big girls.
yeah. Oops, that's
Oh. All right. We'll see you
How have they
tonight.
done?
They lost their first one down at Connell. It was a disaster before the game even started with the coaches. It was horrible.
Was it?
And so the coaches come back and made amends with the kids and got things straightened out, and they come back last week and it was a great game.
Was it?
So yeah.
Well, I saw the start of the game down there, but man, the officiating, I don't know if that. The officials thought they were doing a pro game. You know, they had to call everything and move everything, and didn't tolerate anything. It was ridiculous.
Humble.
Good job. Good job.
Have a good afternoon.
Thank you. You too. You too, Ed.